Hello again to the next episode of me taking Istanbul tours. A touristic tour for local tourists, for so to say non-foreigner tourists, but locals, Istanbul residents who want to know the city they are living in better. This is a night walk, which starts from the Hagia Sophia and takes us from there through the streets of Eminonü down to the Golden Horn. And we will visit the Hagia Sophia for sure and see the entrances of many historic Hans, which you could translate to historic mall, bazaar or inn or something like that. On our route we will also see how a Han has been restored by SaltBAE, or how you pronounce it, I don't know really, to become a restaurant. The Hippodrome for sure with its monuments. And before we go on, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks as usual. Also, I would like to mention during the walk it was raining. So you could be saying that we were a bit unlucky to get wet. But on the other hand side, we were also lucky to get some very interesting pictures. So enjoy the tour and the pictures.
We get scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back to my hometown.
Mezarlık tabii hakikaten önemli bir mezarlık.
You broke my heart, I'm underground so cold. Again, I'm in the underground solo. I don't know what to do without you, no. I'm so low and so low. You were acting distant and cold. Myself, I had no reason to let go. Your love for me, was it all a show? Is there a next one standing in a row? Your first shot was right on me. You got my mind crawling, hell being frightened and burnt by your eyes so low. Wanna know what you were doing, so you broke me down so low. Yeah. You broke my heart, I'm on the ground so cold. Again, I'm in the underground so low. I don't know what to do without you, no. I'm so low and so low. You broke my heart, I'm on the ground so cold. Again, I'm in the underground so low. I don't know what to do without you, no. I'm so low and so low. So low. So low. Keep your heads up. I know sometimes it's hard to lose someone, but you need to keep moving, though, cause life goes on. On this planet there are a couple million other ones, so don't you lose your hope. You broke my heart, I'm on the ground so cold. Again, I'm in the underground so low. I don't know what to do without you, no. I'm so low and so low. You broke my heart, I'm on the ground so cold. Again, I'm in the underground so low. I don't know what to do without you, no. I'm so low and so low. We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use our flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push the way. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back to my
içi. Bu. Evet. Şimdi